Welcome to the track for the running up today's feature event, the 2020 General Election Trophy, the COVID-19 edition, the now defunct NDM, the high-riding JPP, and the veteran Ras Asta Black are all late non-starters. That leaves us with the even money favorite, the JLP, with the most honorable Andrew Holness, aka Brogard, in the saddle, beaming in his green colors as he made his way towards the starting gates. The PNP with the veteran Dr. Peter Phillips, aka Peter One, in his bright orange colors, goes off at the decent odds of 3-1 as the starter puts them on the orders. The 2020 General Election Trophy, the COVID edition. They're off to a pretty even break as Brogard pushes the JLP in front with Peter One and the PNP now in casual pursuit. The JLP with Brogard continues to make the early running, opening up a 2-length lead over Peter One and the PNP. Brogard is large and in charge at the moment, with Peter One trying to keep in touch as they approach the half mile. It is still the even money favorite, the JLP with Brogard, beginning to extend the lead. The PNP with Peter One is still not out of it as they approach the 3-furlong marker. Brogard glimpses over his shoulder as Peter One begins to go to work. They approach the turn for home. The JLP drifts towards the outside. The veteran Peter One keeps the PNP closer to the rail. It is still anybody's race. Due to time constraints, we will bring you the conclusion of the race tomorrow.